Lunch at Maria's family was getting more modest. Her son Antonio paid more attention to his cell phone and watched a video about easy money on websites. Maria took her cell phone and saw the video herself. A young guy was talking about creating and selling Instagram accounts. She remembered the message she got a few days ago about mentoring. She then contacted the mentor. He invited her to work selling fake accounts. The more real they were, with more photos and followers, the higher the resale value. Accounts with Brazilian names were even more valuable. The mentor also sent a video tutorial in English on how to create bots for automatic work on websites. Maria called Antonio, who knew the English language, to help her understand the content. Thus began the partnership between Maria and her son. With the ability in English and skills to learn new things, Antonio created the bots and the accounts. The mother, in turn, interacted in WhatsApp groups to make sales. The gains increased, but Maria did not feel comfortable with the practice. Whose photos are we using? She wondered. Then, Antonio saw a video about data privacy and legal consequences. His reaction was to ask his mother, "Are we criminals?" Maria cried a lot. She did it to pay the house bills. But she was very uncomfortable with the situation. After a frank conversation with Antonio about work and the financial situation at home, they decided to look for ways to earn money that could be fairer. So, Maria saw an advertisement. With other friends, she created a cooperative to sell food. They gathered women who were tired of working on the websites. Initially working in their homes, they already met the conditions to open a branch. The lessons learned from the former work helped to publicize the cooperative. Profits were shared equally among the workers. They also spoke to people frustrated with working on the websites. Thus, Maria continues to fight for a better future of work in Brazil.